I bought and tested these top battery-powered weed eaters so you don't have to waste your money. From performance to ease of use, I've got the real scoop on which ones are worth your time and cash. Let's dive into these products and see which one stands out. Product number 1. DeWalt 20V Max XR String Trimmer. When I first got my hands on the DeWalt 20V Max XR String Trimmer, I was excited. With a 14-inch cutting width, this beast promised to tackle my unruly garden. The first thing I noticed was its build quality. DeWalt always delivers on durability. The folding hinge was a game changer, allowing me to stash it in my garage without taking up too much space. I took it out for a spin and wow, the variable speed trigger was fantastic. I could control the power, switching between modes depending on whether I was trimming thick brush or just cleaning up around the edges. The quick load spool was another feature I loved. Winding new line was quick and effortless. However, it's worth noting that while this trimmer is powerful, it's also relatively heavy, which could be a con for those with larger yards. Overall, if you're looking for a robust and versatile tool for serious yard work, this DeWalt model is a top contender. It has the power and flexibility that can make any gardener's life easier. Why buy it? Because it's built to last and performs exceptionally well in a variety of conditions. Product number 2. DeWalt 20V Max String Trimmer Kit. I was eager to try the DeWalt 20V Max String Trimmer Kit, particularly because it comes with a 5 amp-hour battery. Right out of the box, I appreciated the weight. At just over 1.5 pounds, it felt light yet sturdy. This version also includes the folding hinge feature, making it easy to transport. The 14-inch cutting width was impressive as I tackled some overgrown areas in my yard. One thing that stood out was the performance of the battery. I could trim for nearly an hour before needing a recharge, which is significant if you have a large lawn. The variable speed trigger gave me just the right amount of control, allowing me to switch between a high-speed setting for tougher jobs and a lower speed for delicate work. The quick load spool feature was also a highlight, making line changes a breeze. However, some might find the noise level a bit higher than expected. If you're serious about yard work and want a powerful, user-friendly tool, this DeWalt kit is worth considering. It's reliable, versatile, and built to handle tough jobs without breaking a sweat. Product number 3. The Black & Decker 20V Max Weed Eater Combo. I was excited to test the Black & Decker 20V Max Weed Eater Combo. This kit includes a string trimmer, edger, and sweeper, which is a great value. The moment I picked it up, I could tell it was designed for ease of use. Weighing only 4.5 pounds, it felt lightweight, and the adjustable handle was a thoughtful touch for different users. The automatic line feed system worked smoothly, ensuring I didn't have to stop mid-trim to adjust the line. The conversion from trimmer to edger was seamless. I was able to create clean, precise edges along my flower beds with minimal effort. The leaf blower was a pleasant surprise too. It moved debris effortlessly, making yard cleanup a breeze. One downside was the relatively short battery life compared to other models, but it comes with a second battery, which helps. If you're looking for a versatile, lightweight option that can handle multiple yard tasks, this combo is a fantastic choice. It simplifies yard maintenance and is perfect for those who want a quiet, efficient tool. Product number 4. MZK 20V 12-inch Cordless String Trimmer. The MZK 20V 12-inch cordless string trimmer caught my attention with its sleek design and impressive 8,000 RPM motor. Right away, I noticed how lightweight it was at just 6.3 pounds, making it easy to maneuver. The adjustable ergonomic handle was a godsend. I could trim for longer periods without feeling fatigued. The 12-inch cutting diameter felt adequate for my suburban yard, and the automatic line feed feature saved me so much hassle. The included replacement spools were a nice touch, ensuring I wouldn't run out of line anytime soon. However, I found that the power may not be sufficient for thicker weeds compared to heavier models. Still, for regular lawn maintenance, this trimmer is perfect. MZK's commitment to customer service is commendable. They genuinely want to ensure you have a great experience. Overall, it's a solid choice for homeowners looking for an effective yet affordable trimmer that doesn't compromise on performance. Product number 5. Works String Trimmer GT 3.0. The Works String Trimmer GT 3.0 stood out to me as a 2-in-1 tool that easily converts from a trimmer to an etcher. This versatility is something I truly value, especially when managing different tasks around the yard. Weighing just 6 pounds, it was light enough to use for extended periods without tiring out my arms. I loved the instant line feed feature. With just a push of a button, I could feed the line without stopping. The 90-degree head tilt allowed me to tackle sloped areas and awkward corners without any hassle. However, the cutting diameter of 12 inches felt a bit limited for larger jobs. Still, the rubberized wheels guided the edger perfectly, ensuring straight lines and clean cuts. The included batteries were also a major plus. They can be used with other tools in the Works PowerShare family, which is a great way to save money in the long run. If you want a compact tool that excels in both trimming and edging, the Works GT 3.0 is a smart investment. It's reliable, efficient, and does the job well while being easy on the wallet. In conclusion, each of these battery-powered weed eaters brings something unique to the table. Whether you prioritize power, versatility, or weight, there's a model here that fits your needs. I hope this deep dive helps you make an informed decision for your lawn care. Happy trimming!